Smart people. Tips to be a part of the elite. Introduction. Welcome, Reprogrammed Mindset listeners. In this comprehensive audiobook, we will delve into the habits, mindsets, and strategies that distinguish highly successful and intelligent individuals. Each chapter will provide you with actionable insights and practical advice to elevate your thinking, skills, and lifestyle. Whether you aspire to excel in your career, personal life, or both, these tips will help you join the ranks of the elite. Let's begin our journey to becoming the best version of ourselves. Chapter 1. Cultivating a growth mindset. Understanding the growth mindset. Embrace the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities to grow rather than obstacles. Learn from criticism. Constructive criticism is a tool for improvement. Embrace feedback and use it to refine your skills. Persevere through setbacks. Treat failures as learning experiences. Analyze what went wrong and apply those lessons to future endeavors. Celebrate effort. Recognize the importance of effort in achieving success. Value hard work and persistence over innate talent. Chapter 2. Lifelong learning. Commit to continuous education. Never stop learning. Pursue formal education, online courses, and self-study. Read widely and regularly. Read books, articles, and journals across various disciplines to broaden your knowledge base. Stay curious. Ask questions and seek out new experiences. Curiosity fuels innovation and growth. Learn from experts. Surround yourself with knowledgeable people and learn from their experiences and insights. Apply what you learn. Practice and implement new knowledge to solidify your understanding and enhance your skills. Chapter 3. Time management and productivity. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that bring you closer to your goals. Set SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Use productivity tools. Utilize calendars, to-do lists, and project management software to stay organized. Practice time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different tasks to maintain focus and efficiency. Avoid multitasking. Concentrate on one task at a time to improve the quality of your work and reduce stress. Chapter 4. Networking and building relationships. Build authentic connections. Focus on genuine relationships rather than superficial networking. Attend events and conferences. Engage with like-minded individuals and industry leaders. Offer value. Help others without expecting anything in return. This fosters trust and reciprocity. Follow up. Maintain contact with your network through regular communication. Leverage social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals and showcase your expertise. Chapter 5. Emotional intelligence. Self-awareness. Understand your emotions and how they affect your thoughts and behavior. Self-regulation. Manage your emotions healthily and constructively. Motivation. Cultivate an inner drive to achieve goals beyond external rewards. Empathy. Understand and share the feelings of others. This builds stronger interpersonal relationships. Social skills. Develop effective communication and conflict resolution skills. Chapter 6. Physical and mental health. Maintain a balanced diet. Eat nutritious foods that fuel your body and mind. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities to boost energy, mood, and cognitive function. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you get enough rest to support overall health and productivity. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate meditation and mindfulness practices to reduce stress and enhance focus. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to consult healthcare professionals for physical or mental health concerns. Chapter 7. Financial literacy. Understand personal finance. Learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. Build an emergency fund. Save for unexpected expenses to ensure financial security. Avoid unnecessary debt. Use credit responsibly and pay off high-interest debts as soon as possible. Plan for retirement. Start saving early and take advantage of retirement accounts and employer matching programs. Chapter 8. Strategic Thinking and Problem Solving. Analyze situations critically. Break down complex problems into manageable parts. Think long-term. Consider the long-term implications of your decisions. Innovate. Be open to new ideas and approaches. Innovation often leads to better solutions. Use data and evidence. Base your decisions on solid data and research. Learn from mistakes. Reflect on past mistakes to avoid repeating them in the future. Chapter 9. Leadership and Influence. Led by example. Model the behavior and work ethic you expect from others. Communicate clearly. Articulate your vision and goals effectively. Inspire and motivate. Encourage others to achieve their best by recognizing their strengths and contributions. Delegate effectively. Trust others with responsibilities and empower them to succeed. Adaptability. Be flexible and open to change, adjusting your leadership style as needed. Chapter 10. Giving Back and Legacy Building. Mentorship. Share your knowledge and experience to help others grow. Philanthropy. Contribute to causes you care about through donations or volunteering. Community involvement. Engage with your community and support local initiatives. Sustainable practices. Consider the long-term impact of your actions on the environment and society. Legacy planning. Think about the legacy you want to leave behind and take steps to achieve it. Conclusion. Becoming a part of the elite involves more than just intelligence or wealth. It's about adopting a holistic approach to personal and professional development. By cultivating a growth mindset, committing to lifelong learning, managing your time effectively, building strong relationships, and maintaining your health, you can unlock your full potential. Additionally, financial literacy, strategic thinking, leadership, and giving back are crucial elements in your journey to becoming truly elite. Thank you for listening to Smart People. Tips to be a part of the elite. We hope this audiobook has provided you with valuable insights and practical strategies to elevate your life. Remember, the journey to excellence is ongoing, and with dedication and persistence, you can achieve remarkable success. Stay committed to your growth, and may you always strive for greatness. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, have nothing short of a fantastic day.